Good morning. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about case study on design thinking and innovation at Apple. First, in 2012, Apple became the most valuable public traded company in history. Its market share is of around $600 and its market capital is of around $620 billion, and also its annual sales is of around $100 billion. Apple's success was not just the result of its strategic moves or innate sense of its market timing. It is a surprising consistency in the way the company worked, simple but the Apple way. Next, we are going to discuss about what are all the strategies it had followed. One of the main approach which is used is design thinking approach. In mid-1970s, computers were typically housed in discrete locations and only used by the specialists. Computers as a tool for individual work. It was an unimaginable notion in year 1970s, and it had discussed that and it came to conclusion that to help people love their equipment and the experience of using it, level of complexity needed to reduce dramatically. It is one of the main aim of Apple. First, it started with the design from people needed and want, not limited by technology. First, it discussed about what is the customer satisfaction or what it's needed. From the customer satisfaction, it had changed its design. Next, it pushed the engineers to use the same kind of creativity and innovation to make it happen. This is one of the strategies which Apple used. Next one is design is very well thought beyond the fashion, and also it is not compromised with capacity and technology. These are all some of the design thinking strategies which is used by the Apple company. From design thinking approach as user desirability, technology possibility, and also market viability. These are all the main approaches which is formed by the Apple. And also it has smallest of details are scrutinized. It not only scrutinized its appearance but also its functions, its features, and also how the product can be packaged, its aesthetic appeals, all had been scrutinized with the help of design thinking approach. The design team keep going deep until they found the key underlying principle of problem they built on it. Next, design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. It is one of the famous quote which is given by Steve Jobs, one of the famous CEO of Apple company. Next one is what are all the strategies and what are all the executions which is made by the Apple. First, in the year 1976, Apple was founded, and in the year 1978, it introduced the first personal computer, that is Apple II. In the year 1981, IBM entered with its PC that can be cloned, and in the year 1985, Apple market share kept declining. The board axed Jobs. From the year 1985 to 1997, its products and projects at Apple were, and so some of its strategies came failures. Its major breakthrough came in the year 1997. The technology development process became more traditional and resembled approaches found at other companies. Steve Jobs quoted that process makes you more efficient, but innovation comes from people. Calling each other at 10:30 at night with a new idea, it comes from saying no to 10,000 things to make sure we don't get on the wrong track or try to do too much. It is one of the famous quotes which is given by Steve Jobs, which changed its market strategy and innovation technique. And also it has very excellence in execution of various strategies such as stop licensing program, eliminating 70% of new projects, product line can be reduced from 15 to 13, and its website is for direct sales, inventory from months to days, and also it had encouraged sophisticated market. It keep product development complete secret from other companies, and also it shut the facilities and move abroad. These are all some of the strategies, and also it had executed it up to 100% with the help of design thinking approach, and also it had success in it. It is one of the major success formula for Apple. One of the major platform strategies, design the initial product as a platform with the architecture that will accommodate the development and production of the derivative products. And also, what is the iterative customer movement is work intimately with the manufacturers and being completely attentive to the customers. Integrate customer experience into its design and development. A lot of it was empirically drives. This is one of the main motive of Apple. The importance of design as a motivation to continued innovation rather than a strategic approach that assumes a single conclusion. Next one is, it wants to develop and integrate its own hardware and software and keep product launches secret. This is one of the main strategy which is also followed by the Apple. In summary, it had adapted constant learning, and also it had adapted various adaptation new innovation techniques, and also it had evolved in it. Some of them are, it had transformed from array of colors into black and white, and also it has developed from closed developer community into open developer platform, and also some of the companies are not compatible with other OS, but it had compatible with Windows compatibility. These are all some of the strategies which is involved in Apple, and some of the design thinking and innovation approaches which is conducted by the Apple company for its successful rate. Thank you.